Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can record computer audio on Audacity. So for that you will need to download this application called Black Hole. So for that search for Black Hole GitHub on Google, and after that you will find this link of Black Hole audio loopback driver. Just click on it and this is where it will head you to, and scroll down. Then you will be able to see this option of download installer. The first link is clickable. Just click on download the latest installer, and after that just fill in your details and subscribe for a free Mac download and download it. After downloading it and installing it, click on the Apple icon on top left and then click on system preferences, and here search for sound output. And in the sound output you will be able to see Black Hole here after downloading and installing that application that I told you about. And just select that application, and after that just close this and then open up your Audacity application. And in the Audacity application, go to your Audacity, and here you will find this option of preferences. Just click on it, and here on the devices section you will be able to see this option of device, and right beside it you will see built-in microphone. Just click on it and you will be able to see Black Hole option here. And after installing Black Hole application, just select it and close it up. Then go to the transport settings of Audacity, and there you will find this option of transport options. Here select this option of software playthrough, click on it and it will turn on, and after that you will be able to record the voices or the music or the sound on your computer, and that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.